Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. Slight, ma'am. I understand, ma'am.
Okay, are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, willing.
Okay, so do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, this is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First timer.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Eden Rison Villaruel.
How old are you?
I'm 40 years old, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
Married.
When is your birthday?
May 17, 1983.
What is your height and your weight?
5'3".
Your weight?
65.
Okay, what about your religion?
Catholic.
Your educational background?
2 years graduate, ma'am. Computer programming college.
Okay, so is it vocational or you just undergrad?
Vocational, ma'am. Two
So you,
years.
okay, so you graduated for
2 years.
vocational course, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many children do you have?
Five, ma'am. Five.
Okay, ages?
Ang youngest, 19 years old. A second, 14, 8, 7, and 4 years old.
Okay, so who will going to take care of these children because this is your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Who will
I'm
going to take
no.
care of these children?
My mother. My mother.
Okay, how old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Stay at home lang, ma'am. 62 years old, my mother.
Okay, what about your husband? How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
45 years old, ma'am. Collector of blending company.
Okay, so how many brother and how many sister do you have?
I have four brothers and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the
Breadwinner.
second? You are the eldest.
I third, ma'am.
You are the
Third.
third. Okay, so you know that being domestic helper is very tough, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so it's not your contract is a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not one
Years.
year. Okay?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. 2 years.
So you need to bear it to your mind that you have a consequences, which is once you breach your contract, you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, correct?
Mm. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so if anything might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be reminded that you cannot easily go back home, okay? Because
No.
you
Yes,
signed a
ma'am.
2 years contract.
2 years contract. Yes, ma'am. I know.
Okay, so are you way back 2018 to 2020? You have a working experience in your Bidata stated here. In which place in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. As housemaid.
Okay, in which place in the Philippines?
Rock City, ma'am.
In Iloilo also?
Philippines. Philippines, Capiz.
Capiz. Okay, 2 years, right?
2 years, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you describe what are your duties to your previous employer here in Capiz?
Yes, ma'am. Anang my duties in the in the house, cleaning house.
Okay?
Tapos sticker child, cook and ironing.
Okay. Laundry also?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the child that you take care?
3 years old and 4 years old, ma'am.
3 years old and 4 years old. Okay,
Yes.
so being a domestic helper is you need to be flexible, okay? You need to be
Yes.
multitasking. Are you ready
Yes, ma'am.
for the task or are you ready for the task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm a
Okay.
hard work.
Okay. Are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
At the age, yes, ma'am, nang no lang no freak no ano na no babies, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay
At
to take your
least lang
children?
2 years old to 4 years old.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, but baby, you don't want.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you okay to take care elderly people?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. So, can you cook? Can you cook?
And yes, what, ma'am?
Can you cook?
Slight.
Okay. So, are you okay to cook?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you okay to take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No.
No.
I'm disabled.
Oh, disabled and okay, bedridden
No.
patient. Okay. So, are you okay to take your pets?
Diaper.
Pets.
Pet. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Okay. Are you I mean, are you afraid with the dogs, cats, rabbits, snakes or what? Are you okay to take your pets?
Dog, mga pets. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ah.
Okay. So, normally, how will you fight your homesickness? Because this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family. What will you do? Like, for example, homesickness strikes you.
Ay, no, ma'am. Mama, video call. May cellphone.
Okay. So, you will call your family, is it?
Kayanin, ma'am. Kayanin. To finish my contract 2 years, ah.
Okay, Te, please speak in English because
Ay,
employer cannot
yes.
understand our language. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay. So, in usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But you can hold it during nighttime only 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
you render your phone to your employer. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have a once a week rest day, but you are going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. But of
Yes,
course,
ma'am.
if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I just wanted to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Because we are not playing here. So if you agree our rules and regulations is okay, you can come here. But if you don't like our rules, you disagree, it's okay also. We don't force people also to come here. Okay?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes, ah?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Okay. All you need to do is to respect the rules and regulations of the employer and our rules and regulations. Because
Yes, ma'am.
you are the one also who are staying inside the employer's premises. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so you need to adjust yourselves. Don't let employer adjust themselves for you because we are the one who come to their country, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So,
Okay. So, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Edin.
yes,
But please stay
ma'am.
connected. Okay, but
Please
please stay
help, ma'am.
connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you and have a good day. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank